The time and attendance platform provides various ways of showing your employees' time card information. The most common screens used in time and attendance are the time card authorization and the punch calendar screens. However, there is a screen that can be used quickly to reference an employee's time card for a pay period or custom date range. Select Time and Attendance, Employee, Time Card History. Then, select an employee from the list if one is not selected already. Use the drop-down to select a pay period or custom date range. The screen will populate with both punches and benefits and will display totals at the bottom. This screen is read-only and is used for informational purposes. If changes are needed to an employee's time, refer to our other videos on using the time card authorization and punch calendar screens. The other way to access information is through our time and attendance reports. To find these, select Time and Attendance, Reporting, then choose Standard. From here, you can run all of our standard time and attendance reports, as well as any custom time and attendance reports that have been created. Some of the most commonly used reports in this list are the Employee Punches Report, Weekly Hours Summary, Employee Exceptions, and the Paid Reports by Employee or Cost Center. It's recommended to spend some time running each of these reports to best determine which reports work for you.